Narcotic Sangeeta Courses. My first question goes to class nursery. What color is the sky? Sky blue is the right answer. My second question goes to class 2. My second question goes to class nursery. What is the color of glass? Green is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. How many legs does a dog have? I repeat my question. How many legs does a dog have? What is the right answer? My first question goes to class 1. What is the color of the ocean? Blue is the right answer. My next question goes to class 2. What kind of animal is a fish? I repeat my question. What kind of animal is a fish? Water animal is the right answer. My sixth question goes to class 3. What is the hottest part of a flame? I repeat my question. What is the hottest part of a flame? Repeat my question.
Down massage. Down.
What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the right answer. My last question goes to class 5. What is the process of water changing from a liquid to a gas current? I repeat. Evaporation is the right answer. My last question goes to class 6. What is the name of the equipment used to see anything? I repeat the question. What is the name of the equipment used to see anything? Microscope is the right. Class 7. The scientific study of birds is called ornithology is the right answer. My last question goes to class 8. What is the function of red blood cells? To carry oxygen is the right answer. My last question goes to class 9. What is the SI unit of energy? Joule